This is a 2013 Volvo S60. It has a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a low-tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated seats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Quantrill Automotive Group is located at 1490 East New Circle Road in Lexington. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll become a Quantrill customer for life.